Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how I make simple edits on Capcut. So I just finished recording a YouTube video. I want to upload on my YouTube channel, and I want to carry out edits on Capcut before I'll finally upload them on my YouTube channel. So I want to show you, we'll be working on the intro parts in this video. I want to show you because I don't want to make it lengthy enough. So the first thing I have to do is to open my Capcut app, and once you're here you tap on new project. As you can see, this is the array of videos. Like I said, I want to treat only the introductory part, so this is it here. Let me just select it alone so that you see how I do my edits. So this is the video I'm talking about. So now the first thing, you could see that the videos at the beginning, they are not actually organized. Let's see. As you can see, I'm trying to set a position. It's still in this video, and I'll be cutting all those parts off, and that's what you do before you organize a video completely in order to upload them on various platforms, be it YouTube, Facebook, or whatsoever platform you have profile and you want to earn from your video. So now let's see. I'll play till the part that the video is about to start. Okay, let me see. I'll shift back a little bit. Okay, I want to give few seconds before I start talking. Let's see. This will be better because YouTube normally starts playing videos even before you click it. So I will split the video into two, and this first part that I don't really need, I will tap on the delete button. So now let's see the beginning if it's okay now. Okay, yes, it's just few seconds. Now this is cool for me. Now the next thing I would like to do, since we're in Capcut, I would like to also increase the volume. Note, your sound quality is always important in any platform, be it Facebook, YouTube, or wherever. TikTok, your sound quality is important. So the next thing I'll do is to increase the sound volume of this very video, and I'll slide through the menu icons below, and I've navigated to the volume option. So I tap on volume. As you can see, at the moment the volume is at the medium, so all I have to do is to increase it to the highest and tap on the tick button. So you see the volume is now increased. So now
you will agree with me that everybody wants to go solar today.
So this is the voice notes. The voice sound is now increased. Now the next thing you can also do with your voice is to reduce the noise completely. So now I'll also switch through the icons below to the icon that actually reduces noise. Let me see. There are various icons have different functions, you can see. So the reduce noise is this icon. I'll tap on it. So all I have to do is to toggle this button on. So I've toggled it on, then I'll now tap on the yes icon. So now the volume is now increased, and also the noise, the background noise, have been reduced totally. So this is what I do. Now the next thing, I know at the very tail end, like I told you, this is just the introductory part of my YouTube video. I'll add other parts and edit them, but I don't want to show you how I'll do that because I don't want this video to be lengthy enough. So now I know at the bottom, at the closing minutes, yes, I always pause.
Then you can start making use in your home today.
Okay. Oh, let me see. I want to give few seconds after saying today. Okay, this is perfect. So now all I have to do is to still scroll and split the video. So this remaining part after I said today is not needed, so I'll delete it off. Let me see how it plays.
Use in your home today.
Okay, this is perfect. So now I've note what I've done. I've trimmed it to the right portion that I need. I've also increased the volume and reduced the background noise. Now the next thing I have to do, I want to add something that will captivate or keep the audience watching. In this video, I don't want to use a B-roll in this intro portion. I don't have videos I want to include in the B-roll. What is B-roll? B-roll is actually including various mini clips or short videos that may last just few seconds, 3 seconds clips, you understand, that captivate or captures audience for them to keep on watching. I don't want to use B-roll in this intro because the intro is not really long. Let me see how lengthy it is. It's just a 20 seconds intro, but I can include B-roll, but I don't want to include B-roll in this very video. So since I don't want to include B-roll, what would I do that will make an audience to keep watching? So this is what I normally do. The next you can do is to use the caption, the text caption. Now I want to start the text will be writing what I'm speaking. So that's what you. So now search for the text. What is it actually? The auto caption icon is just below this video, as you can see here. So now I want people to start reading what I'm saying. So I'll tap on the auto caption, because since I'm not using B-roll, let me use something that will make people to still not only watch, but it will keep them while I move to the main important part of the video. Oh, everything in Capcut is now pro, but there's a particular one I like using, and this is it here. Let me select this very one. This is more this ties the audience more. Let's see. Okay, it's rolling. Yes, this is cool, and it's just still the same with this very one. Let me see the difference. Okay, now let me use the first one I'm already used to. Now this is this. I'll choose on this. So since I've choose this, now I'll now tap on generate. So I tap on generate, and the text have been generated. Like I said, I don't want to make this video lengthy enough. That's why I have to pause for it to finish generating. So now let's play, and you see what I'm talking.
You will agree with me that everybody wants to go solar today, especially
as you can see, the exact words I'm saying is being repeated in text, and you notice that most people that don't really like listening to what people say will also like reading from the words. So this will keep them for that 20 seconds before my main video will start. So this is how I do simple edits on Capcut. So now once I'm through and think I'm okay with the volume, I'm also okay. But in some cases, you can also read through all this text. There might be mistakes. You edit them to your own taste. So now I'm done. Let's see.
Living in an area with
okay. Let's see it. Okay.
Use in your home today.
Okay, this is okay for me. Now all I have to do is to export this very video or this clip. You hit on the export button at the top right. So now after exporting the video, then I'm good to go. So that's how I do simple edits on Capcut. So I'll now continue editing the other 4 scenes, which are quite lengthy, which I don't want to spend your time watching. So this is how I do simple edits on Capcut. If you want to know more, you can go to the comment section, ask me your questions, and I'll put you through. So see you in my next tutorial video.